Intro. Welcome to Connect to World, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to delve into the word hand. It's a fundamental part of the human body and serves a wide range of functions. Let's get started. Meaning. A hand is a noun that refers to the end part of an arm, which includes the fingers and the palm. Hands are essential for tasks that require fine motor skills, grasping, manipulating objects, and expressing oneself through gestures. Pronunciation. Pronounce hand as H, rhyming with stand. Use in a sentence. 1. She extended her hand for a friendly handshake. 2. His skilled hands crafted a beautiful piece of art. Synonyms. For various contexts, synonyms for hand can include palm, mitt, or paw, depending on the situation or the species being referred to. Conclusion. The hand is a remarkable and versatile part of the human body, allowing us to interact with the world, communicate, create, and perform countless tasks. Thanks for joining us, and may your hands always be skillful and gentle in your journey through life.